broccoli? Can you say turkey? Can you say nana?
Nana. Nana. Nana.
Can you say Mima?
Ma.
Can you say Grandpa?
Papa.
Can you say Dada?
Papa.
Dada?
Dada.
Can you say Baba?
Papa.
Can you say Puppy?
Papa.
Puppies? Can you say Passy?
Puppy.
Can you say avocado? Can you say apple? Good girl. Claire, where's your head? Where's your ears? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your teethies? Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. You're so smart. Are you all done? Say bye-bye.
Uh-oh.
Claire, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you blow kisses? Oh, nice girl.